Basically, there are two types of engines, the gasoline engines and the diesel engines. In the first one, it's easy to replace completely the gasoline by chargas. But in the diesel engines, it can be replaced only up to 80% of diesel because it's needed at least 20% of liquid diesel to feed the injection pump. Hans Ted, a guy from Burma, he has studied different types of gasifiers, updraft, downdraft, and here he recognized me as one of his teachers. He's feeding a diesel electric motor generator with chargas and 20% of liquid diesel. When he unplugs the chargas hose, the engine keeps running because of 20% of liquid diesel, but it starts slowing down. When he tries to reconnect the chargas hose, it's too late, so finally the engine stops. Here he built a updraft gasifier to feed a 50 kilowatt diesel electric generator that's inside the room. He's using this to provide with power his town.